My name is Kate and this is Keiko. Hello Keiko. Keiko, what are we going to be doing today? That's right Keiko. Today we are going to be looking at sounds. Yes Keiko? That's right. We'll also be looking at some words with that sound in them. Keiko, do you have the sound for today? You do? Can you go and get it then for us? Okay, off you go. I wonder what sound Keiko is going to bring us today. What sound can you see? Do you know Keiko? That's okay, I'm going to tell you. Today, our sound is ng. Listen to me say it first. Good boy, go. Ng, ng, ng. Now it's your turn. And just go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ng, ng, ng. Well done. Yes, Keiko? That's right. Keiko has some words with the ng sound in them. Let's take a look.
Ng, ng. Ring. Ng, ng. Duckling. Ng, ng. Swing. Ng, ng. King. Ng, ng. Wing. Ng, ng. Jungle.
You found some interesting words, Keiko. Well done. Today, our sound was ng. If you would like to learn about more sounds, just click on another one of our videos. Yes, Keiko? That's right, Keiko. Or you can watch this video again to remind yourself of the sound we just learned. Keiko? How are you going, Keiko? Oh! What do you have, Keiko? You have a ring? Oh! It's very pretty, Keiko. It's got green and orange on it. Very nice. Goodbye. See you next time.